Whoop, whoop, it's the sound of the police. Told you it was kicking off. Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today you join us at Manchester and we're going to have a look around at the Christmas market here on King Street. And of course the bar is very busy and it's only 11 o'clock. So that bar is the King Street Craft Bar and next to it we've got the Grumpy Moose, which is again very busy at this time of the day. Wow. Next up we've got the food section of this market, which goes down the street there, and the first one is mac and cheese.
Did you see anything on the
How about this for a bit of Italian cheese? Wow. Lots of cured meats as well. Look at that. Beautiful. We've got more hams around here, and of course I'm going to have some Parma ham.
Original Parma, 107 pounds, 212 pounds.
Chocolate kisses. These are lush. We've got some soaps, etc. Lots of gift sets. Wow, get a look at this. Look at that. If you want to go to the waffle cart, that's your queue. Not today. So you've got some Sicilian street food with arancinis, pizzas. Wow. And once you've had Sicilian street food, you can get some Sicilian cannellini. Wow, look at them. Beautiful.
Looks like there's plenty.
If I hadn't just had breakfast, I would have had this, the Greek. Look at that. Wow. So that was the King Street Market. We've now walked around the corner and we're going to the other Christmas market, because there's two of them on at Manchester at the moment. Not far away from each other, only a couple of minutes walk. So this is St. Anne's Square. Kaiserschmarrn, scrambled pancake from Austria, apparently. And that's what it looks like when it's done. And that's what it looks like when it's cooking. And another busy bar. They like the drink in Manchester, mind, don't they? Eh? The coffee and chocolate stall is very busy, as you would expect.
Oh, do you not have it?
What cocktails? Keep Emma away from the cocktails. And we have the metal art stall. All handmade. Handcrafted jewellery. And we've got a busy stall here. Why? Because they're giving samples of sausages. Chili griller.
I know, but I need to put all these things down on. I need to put back some.
That's got a bit of a kick.
Come and have a taste, guys. German salami, we have a fantastic offer. I give you the garlic, the black pepper, the Langjager, the chili, the hazelnuts, and I throw in the chorizo. You get all 6 flavours for £15.
Look at these candles. So you get wax crystals, pour them in any bowl you want, and then just light it. Even float on water, look. Another busy stall. Why? Because it's sausages again. Toffee and vodka. Oh, look at all the cakes. Wow. Great North Pie Company. They look lovely. This man looks like he knows what he's doing. I like the name of this one. Pasta Claus. Buddy the one-man band.
Don't you come back no more. Oh woman, don't you treat me this way. I'll be back on my feet one day. Will I get sick of you say so? I love to pack my bags and go with the old Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more. With the old Jack. Don't you come back no more. You say so. I love to pack my bags and go with the old Jack. Don't you come back here. No, 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 no more. With the old Jack. Don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no more.
Witch House, Berlin currywurst, and of course a bar. Sweeties. Literally can't get near half of these stalls to try and film them. It's so busy. Stalls called Wrap Up. Do burritos, nachos. Wow. And you know when food's good, when they've got their own stanchions outside to make zigzags for the queue. Look at that. How good do them buildings look? Anywho, the market goes on down there and all the way around there, but look how busy it is. I don't even think I can get through, yet alone try and film any of it. Wow. Yeah, I think I need to sack that idea off. I don't think I'm going filming down that way. No way. Mental. So we're heading back down the street that we just came up, but on the opposite side to see what's on this side. But even this side's getting busy. Wow. Honey and beeswax. I can't believe how busy it's getting down here now. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the size of those cookies. Wow. Get a look at this. It's on you, dog in a pram. Hello. Hello. It's all kicking off in Manchester. Whoop whoop, it's the sound of the police. Told you it was kicking off. We've got protests and marches. Are you ever? Anywho, enough of that. Let's get back to Christmas, eh? How good do them garlic tatties look? And this is one of my favourites, baklava. Baklava.
Is it Turkish delight?
Thank you. Beautiful. Turkish delight. So I had to go get myself some of that Parma ham, and Emma made her way to a bar. There's a surprise. So I'm going to have a mulled wine, Emma's having a Prosecco, and then we're going to call it a day. So I'll see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.